Hey traders, have you seen this bearish movement on gold? Finally we saw a very nice volatility, but unfortunately not in the direction of the trend. And now it is a big question whether it is the very strong bearish signal or the market is just preparing for bullish continuation, and right now the market will just accumulate before we go higher. And in this video we'll discuss two scenarios. I will give you the selling scenario with entry stop targets, and I will give you the bullish scenario and also with the confirmation with entry with stop targets and the entire explanation. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. Alright traders, no matter whether you are bullish or bearish on gold, your drawings here must be absolutely the same. So briefly, let's bring back our drawings right here. Let's analyze the daily time frame together and let's identify the key levels and important pivot points. So first of all, this rising channel, yes, major rising parallel channel, very important one. For now the market is trading within this rising parallel channel, and definitely we must consider that in our analysis. Then what else do we have right here? We have here key weekly and daily structural resistance. Yes, very important one. Then what else do we have right here? Looking left at structure, I see very important key level right here, very important level of support. So far you can see we have two major horizontal key levels and we have this major rising trend line, and the trend lines of this channel serve is the support and resistance for now. Yes, so this is our current technical outlook on gold. Then let's discuss the scenarios. Hey traders, for more ideas, for more trades, for more forecasts and signals, follow me on Telegram. I have the entire big channel where each and every day I post a lot of educational materials, a lot of forecasts, a lot of market analysis. You will definitely enjoy that. It is Vasily Trader. The link will be in the description below. Follow me, you will definitely enjoy that. Right traders, let's start with the bearish scenario. And why bearish? Because from a current perspective, from a current outlook, we have here a lower high on a daily, and even though technically speaking the market remains very bullish, the market is still trading within the boundaries of the channel. After the test of the support of the channel, the market didn't manage to set a new higher close, and instead of that set a lower high. And for us being the price action traders, it is quite important clue, taking into consideration that right now the price retests the support of the channel again. So our bearish scenario will be based on the breakout of this channel. But what else we must consider here in our analysis if we want to trade bearish breakout? For the confirmation of a breakout, we also need the violation of that horizontal structure. So if we take the triangle, you can see that this one right here will be our local zone of demand. It is based on the daily horizontal structure and it is based on the trend line of this channel. So to confirm the breakout of the channel, we need the violation of this entire area. We need the daily candle close below this entire area, and only then the breakout will be confirmed. What else will we do? Then we will sell the retest of that area. We can take the random point and your entry here will be based on your desired risk to reward. Yes. And if we take the most conservative entry based on the retest of the broken support of the channel, our stop here will be above the lower high. Yes, it will be above the trend line of a channel, but also we will get the protection of this minor daily structure. And our first goal will be right here. So we're gonna get around 1.6 risk to reward. And remember, here I am giving you the safest option, you know, and of course you can play with that. Of course you can consider the intraday entry with the intraday stops. I just giving you from a current perspective a swing trading opportunity. Yes, and with this first goal you can get 1.6 risk to reward. But also remember that technically speaking then the market can go even lower, so you can keep some portion of your position and let the price drop even to that structure. It will be the next strong structure, and for that what risk to reward we may get in case of a bearish continuation? I guess it will be around 3 to 1. Yes, very decent one. So you can see here's your bearish scenario, you are waiting for the breakout of this green zone of demand based on the horizontal daily structure and based on the trend line of the channel. Then you sell on a retest, selecting your entry based on the desired risk to reward. And here will be your targets, yes, the major daily structure levels. So let's see whether this scenario will play out or not. Now let's discuss a bullish scenario, and here remember that while the market is trading within this rising channel, we remain bullish biased, and based on the retest of the support of this rising channel, chances are still very high that we will see a bullish continuation. Probably it is just one more retest. Probably the trading volumes are just weak enough, and for now market participants just can't push it higher. But at some moment they will. But here we will need the additional confirmation on lower time frames. So let's discuss that, checking the 4-hour chart. Well, to be honest, I was looking for the breakout of this expanding wedge pattern on a 4-hour chart. I was monitoring this expanding wedge and I was looking for the breakout as the trigger. However, we must admit that from a current perspective, this breakout of this expanding wedge is considered to be false, and from a current perspective, definitely you can see that the market again is trading within the boundaries of this wedge pattern. So what else we can look for right here is the confirmation. So for that, let's simply analyze the price action. Over here we have our high low, yes, and then here we have one more high low. At the same time right here we have two equal highs, yes, and based on this current price action, you know, it is a very nice potential here to form a classic ascending triangle formation, yes. So for now, though the pattern is not formed, there is a very nice potential to form that. And what we know about the ascending triangle, we call ascending triangle also a bullish accumulation, yes, and it is a very bullish bias pattern, and most of the time it tends to break to the upside. So what will be your trigger right here? Your trigger right here will be the, first of all, you let the price coil within the triangle, yes, you let the price set new high lows, new equal highs, but at some moment your trigger is the bullish violation of the resistance of the channel. It will be your signal. Once you see the violation of the resistance of this triangle, then you can look for buying opportunities. You will buy on a retest of the broken resistance of the triangle. You will set your stop below the high low, and you know, from a current perspective I would take this one, but in case if the price will set couple you know more high lows, definitely then the stop loss will be adjusted. But from a current perspective, yes, I guess the safest one, if just on Monday we violated to the upside retest and we are active on this trade, here would be my stop loss, and our take profit here will be based on the lower boundary of the major daily structure that we identified. So you can see from a current perspective, risk to reward here is not that sweat. Why? Because we are very close to very important highs right here. And definitely in case if we set, for example, a new high low right here, and if we adjust our stop loss, you know, it will be much better. So for now, your task is to simply monitor the market, monitor the charts, yes, look for the breakout. Definitely, I'm quite sure that new high low will be set right here. Yes, with the new high low, yes, stop will be adjusted, better risk to reward, probably then one more high low, again, better risk to reward. So keep monitoring that. For now, this setup here is very conditional. For now, we are waiting for breakout, but once it is broken, then chances will be high to see a bullish continuation. Right, traders, thank you so much for watching. Let me know, are you bullish or bearish on gold next week? It is very interesting to see what is your opinion on the current market situation. Also, don't forget to check my Telegram channel, the link in the description below. Like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you next week.